This is the intake. So we're going to start our first sketch on the right plane this time. Just going to draw this out a little bit. Height of this is 1.5. Overall width is 1.75. And let's add these right into this sketch. .25 fillets on all corners. These up a little bit. Okay. We are going to mirror some stuff, so I'm going to add some center lines. So we only have to do this once. Right on that center mark, I'm going to put in a circle with a diameter of 0.266. And now I'm going to mirror once, twice. Okay, and the only way that I can do this extrusion with these holes in here is because they happen to go all the way through. If they had only a certain depth, then I would do that in another sketch and do a cut. Extrude this up. Thickness of this is 0.25. It does have a hole going all the way through. I'm going to do that in a separate sketch, just right here. So I might use that sketch by itself later. This is going to be 0.75. We can do a cut all the way through on this one. Now we have to add our profile and our sweep itself. So the profile is actually going to be this same edge right here, which happens to also be the sketch that we just did that cut extrude. But we need to make our path. So we're going to go to our front plane. And we're going to do some lines here. Overall width 1.5. Overall height is the same, 1.5. Radius is 1. Now we are going to do our sweep. And because we used that sketch here, we can use this again, or you could have created another one. Path is here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a thin feature to that. What we could do to make that a pipe is we could extrude, or we could use the sweep command to make that a solid and not attach it, not merge it with this solid and then shell it. Or we can use the thin feature here, and you can see how you can change the direction. We want it shelled going out. We want the hollow to be where our profile is and then add the material on the outside. Our thickness of that is 0.035. And if you did it a different way, make sure that you have one body at this point. So if you have two, you need to make sure that you merge or you combine those two bodies to have that. Let's do a sketch here. I'm going to take this edge, convert entities, and then I'm going to do, it gives me this dimension. Yes, it does, of 1. So I'm just going to do sketch here, 1. I'm going to extrude that out a distance of 0.115. Merge those results. And we're going to add a fillet. Radius of 0.125 right here. And I believe that is all. I'm going to double check. Looks good. Changing our material to chrome stainless steel. And there's our finished intake.
To learn more about our program, check us out at fvcc.edu, and for more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel.